I want you can see my hair, guys, because my hair is like really messy. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys, but yeah. So I got this little package, and it's wait, shake it up. It has these little things that's in the inside of the bag and stuff. And look, guys, look at that. Can you see it so far? So let's see what's inside. It has the price tag. So this is the price. I'm not showing y'all the price, okay? But it is good. For the bag itself is $6.50. That's really weird for it to be this much for a bag. My grandma texted me. But never mind, let's get into it. So this is a clear glue. I use this. I'm sorry, y'all. I just love clear glue. But it's a long clear glue. So normally clear glue is about this much. That's how big that bottle, the little bottle is. Like that. So I got like a long clear glue. Some other glue. I just put this in there. It really came with this clear glue and then the big glue. But I put this in there because I had a little bit more of the little glue. So yeah. And the last one was this. This big old glue. This is my first time having a big glue. Normally I have the little small ones. My first time having these two. And the last thing it came with was some mixing tools. These were chopsticks, okay? These were chopsticks. Yeah. And it also came with this slime. Looks pretty good. I mean, it's not too sticky. It's pretty pink. It's a really pretty pink. It probably looks purple, but honestly, it's a purplish pink. You can see the pink in it, like really see the pink in it. So let me show you what I made with the clear glue. Okay, so as you see, it's this. I made it with Tide, so that's why it's blue. So yeah. Hi. I was gonna leave it out, so it could you know, turn like really white and clear, but I'm not doing that. So yeah, this is my glue. This is made from the clear glue. So yep, and comment down below if you're ill. I'll say like if you want it, if you want some slime really bad, comment down below. And if you go to my school or wherever you are in Ohio, I'll give it to you. Yeah, I don't live in Atlanta or anything. I don't live in those popular places. So yeah, this was a little short video. I'll be making a bunch of slimes when I get me some containers. I have no containers, okay? I can tell you that right now. No containers. I use most of my containers. And stay tuned for my next slime collection because I made like more slime. And this will be in there. So, bye.